Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be touching across a very interesting topic in understanding who can help us in our day-to-day Pega tasks. If you see, we get a lot of questions these days asking how a certain task is done. Could be how exactly can I call a certain flow from an activity, or for example, how can I go through a given page list, loop through it and perform a certain operation. How can I create a connect rest where I can have a 2A SSL sort of a feature. Like this we get a lot of questions. If you go and see in each and every group today, everyone is stuck at one place or the other and they don't know where exactly they should look for answers. And one interesting aspect to these questions is they don't have a one stop shop where they can find answers for all their questions. What if I say we or Pega has solved this problem where you can go to a one stop shop or a one site where you can go and ask your questions and they will be answered. We are finding it really hard to solve our day-to-day development activities. Could be a small issue, but there is no one who can handhold us and help us to solve the problems. However, today I'll be showing you how you can utilize one of the websites which Pega has built along with the integration of ChatGPT, and they have solved this problem where you can ask this particular conversational AI website any questions with respect to Pega, and it is going to go through all the documentation present within Pega, and it's going to give you a consolidated way using which you can solve your problems. Let's dive into it. buddy.pegaenablement.com. This is the new website which Pega has built, using which you can ask any question. A simple question, for example, what is a data page? Or what is an activity? Not just that, but also complex questions like how exactly would you use a data source as a REST, connect REST in a data page, and how exactly you can fetch the data there, or other configurations. For example, how do you build a two-way SSL sort of a REST service? What steps are needed? A detailed understanding of each and every question with the answers would be provided in through this website. This is an AI website which Pega has built for all the developers to utilize and get answers to their questions. We feel like we get criticized based on the questions we have. When we ask someone, they might feel that, okay, this is a simple concept and you don't even have idea about this. This is a fear most of us go through. For to solve all such challenges, this is a very good start, and I would strongly recommend each and every developer or anyone who wants to learn Pega to get access to this. This requires no registration or authentication. You just have to hit this URL. I am pasting this URL in the description. You can get this URL and get started. Let's jump on to this URL and see what exactly we can do here. Let's start with the basic question. I have just asked, hi, I'm Abdul, who are you? And it's telling me I'm Pega's self-study buddy and an intelligent assistant designed to help students answer technical questions about Pega systems and the entire suite. So let's see how can it help us today. You see the URL is buddy.pegaenablement.com. This is what you have to hit in your browser and you are right there. Let us ask a slightly challenging question to this website. Now I'm asking it, can you help me understand how to build a two-way SSL REST service in Pega which helps me in getting a credit score? Now, if you see, it is generating the response. I asked it, and then it is generating a response telling that to build a two-way SSL REST service in Pega, you have to follow these steps. It is literally giving you a step-by-step approach, a baby sort of a hand holding is being done here, where it is telling you where exactly you have to do and what you should be doing within Pega, like creating a new REST service package and what is the SSL setting you have to use. For example, for 2 SSL, you have to choose SSL protocol. Like that, each and every step is being detailed, and it's showing how exactly you can achieve that and how it has to be done. It is also telling, please note that you will need to have a valid SSL certificate and a private key for both the client and the server side in order to establish a two-way SSL connection. So this is how you can utilize this particular website to get detailed answers, and this is what each and everyone today, a smart developer, is using to achieve anything fast in terms of understanding the different steps. Let us ask a simple question here. Let me ask, what is the difference between a POI work page and a primary page? If you see, Pega is helping me understand a primary page is a clipboard page with the same class as the activity. However, for the same, in the POI work page, on the other hand, it is telling it hosts a current work object item in the flow. It is giving you a detailed understanding of what is the difference between these two pages. I would strongly recommend all your queries you have, you should type in here and try to ask this particular AI website, and it will help you understand each and every concept very clearly. And this is where you will be marching towards mastering over this Pega platform. Let's ask another simple query here. Let's say I want to understand difference between agents and job schedulers, and see, it is giving me a detailed understanding of what are agents and job schedulers, what's the difference between them, pretty much in plain simple English, and you can read it and understand. This is how you can utilize this website to strengthen your core with respect to Pega, and also understand how exactly you can build any requirement using Pega, where this will be helping you or hand holding you or helping you start on your requirement to completion. Please make use of this particular website, which is buddy.pegaenablement.com, and get answers to all your questions. You don't have to rely on anyone. This way you get a head start. Only when you have extremely challenging technical questions, only then you will have to reach out to someone, or else this should be a very good place for you to solve each and every question of yours. I have been using this very extensively, and it has been helping me in all the aspects with respect to Pega. Hope you have liked this video, and if you want to know more with respect to Pega, please drop me a comment and put a like, and share this with all those Pega enthusiasts who want to learn more about Pega. Well, if you like more such content, do subscribe to our channel. It's Tech World with Abdul. Reach out to us with your queries. You can scan this and get on to our channel, and as well as on our WhatsApp page, on Instagram, and all the other ways where we can help you, and also you can share your experiences with respect to Pega. Till then, I'll catch you in my next video. Thank you.